Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how you log on to Google Meets. From your ClassLink page, you're going to go onto Google Classroom. It should pop up all of the classes that you were in, so depending on the class time, obviously click into the right class. So if this was period 2 and you needed to log on to your period 2, you'd click that. On this very first page where the stream is, there is a link. It says Meet Link. It's for your Google Classroom's link. This is how you access class during class time. So I click on that. It should bring you to a whole other page. Right now it's not letting my camera and microphone connect because I'm using screencast, but you would click Join Now when it is class time, and then everyone, your classmates, your teachers should be logged on here. So that is quick how you log on to Google Meets. I'm going to continue posting these videos to let you know how you can navigate all the stuff that we're using right now. Alrighty guys, thank you.